Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is, after researching on different forums and after checking the quality, we come to this point. This product comes with multiple amazing results. So if you want to buy this product, it is money saving. We will always recommend you to buy this product. We are going to give 5 stars to this amazing product. The quality and price chart is amazing. You are getting a premium product in affordable price. On Amazon you will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. The number 3 on the list is, choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Practical gifts. The rice ball mold will make your kids love their meals, and it can also be a good gift for friends. Cute shape. Rabbit shape rice ball mold. It can be combined to make a variety of cat with a nori press for easy expression and suitable for bacon vegetables. Multi-purpose. An useful tool to prepare delicious homemade food for your family and friends, using lovely cat molds. Your kids will get a great appetite. Package includes 1 rice shaper or rice mold. Create the cutest baby rabbit shape onigiri rice ball. Fun for everyone. Great for party, hobby, DIY cookies, sandwich, fruits with your kids. Enhance parent-child relationship. Also increase appetite for your kids, especially for picky childs. The number 2 on the list is, many positives reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. Open black lens bracket healthy. Choose close black lens bracket. Sushi is very popular for its flavor benefits, and the process of sushi making has become fascinating. However, we know that Japanese cuisine is usually very expensive. But what if we told you that you can enjoy sushi at a low price in the comfort of your home? Right. With the best DIY sushi making kit, you can enjoy sushi as much as you want. Open black lens bracket restaurant grade construction. Close black lens bracket. If you are looking for a top quality sushi kit, Kagan Sushi Kit can meet your needs. Our DIY sushi making kit is complete and can provide you with a set of sushi making tools for the sushi making process, including sushi mat, sushi maker, sushi roll, sushi bazooka, etc. You can easily prepare delicious sushi and quickly make sushi at home that will give you value for your money. Open black lens bracket professional grade. Close black lens bracket. Our sushi maker is made of top quality material, with an exquisite appearance, good in the design and great for making sushi. The bamboo mat in the sushi kit is tied together with cotton thread and won't pulling apart or tangling. The bamboo chopsticks have a cute fish pattern and a modern retro design. Open black lens bracket fast and easy sushi. Close black lens bracket. Our sushi bazooka can takes you into the interesting world of sushi making. It only takes 3 simple steps. Just fill the roller, press firmly, and then pull out the sushi. Although using this tool is very simple, our sushi kit includes an in-depth guide. The Sushi Bazooka can minimize user fatigue, and the attractive design is very suitable for beginners. Open black lens bracket sushi party, close black lens bracket. For beginners, the all-in-one Kagan sushi kit is the best toolkit. Our kit contains 26 PCS tools. This is a fun, simple and inspiring experience with Sushi Maker. All you need to do is buy the ingredients and use the sushi making kit to make sushi. Come and have a sushi party with your family, friends or neighbors. This sushi making kit is backed by a 100% guarantee. If you are unsatisfied with your sushi kit, please feel free to contact us for money back or free exchange. The number 1 on the list is this product. Comes with premium quality and affordable price. 4 different sushi tools. Do you want to try to make basic sushi rolls, temaki sushi, nigiri sushi, gunkan, etc. different sushi? Get this Delamu sushi making kit and you will get 4 different sushi tools. The bamboo mats can make basic sushi rolls like a pro. Like California rolls. The bazooka roller can easily finish a rice roller. The temaki mat is the love of temaki sushi lovers. The rice mold can easily make nigiri. Gunkan sushi. Upgraded 20-in-1 sushi kit. Get Delamu sushi making kit to make a different type of sushi. You will get 2x bamboo sushi mats, 1x bazooka roller, 2x temaki rollers, 1x rice mold, 1x sushi knife, 5x pairs of chopsticks, 2x chopsticks holder, 1x rice paddle, 1x rice spreader, 2x sauce dish, 1x sushi cutting mold, 1x guidebook. Compatible with most bags. The Ziploc bag organizer for drawer working with multiple brands. Comes with 4 separate boxes. 1 for gallon. 12.4 inches by 4.53 inches by 2.79. The other 3 for quart, sandwich, and snack. 8.66 inches by 4.13 inches by 2.79. Max applicable width for gallon bags is 11.8 inches and 8.2 inches for quart, sandwich, and snack bags. Particularly the quart box is built bigger. Perfectly fitting slider quart size bags. Versatile plastic wrap dispenser with cutter. This organizers and storage for kitchen contains a wrap dispenser with cutter that cuts clean and smoothly. Perfect for aluminum foil, plastic wrap, cling wrap, wax wrap, and parchment paper. Note: not compatible with rolls of size above 12 inches by 2.13. LXD 5-in-1 kitchen drawer organizer. Combined with Ziploc bag organizer and aluminum foil organization and storage. This set is a must-have for organizational geeks since you can get 2 types of organizers at one time to eliminate drawer disorganization. No need to deal with messy torn cardboard boxes anymore.